Eden Nature Park in Davao City, Philippines. A mountain resort 3,000 feet above sea level, Eden Nature Park is 95% man-made. It is a great model of how we can recreate nature and rebuild a lost environment. Eden Nature Park and Resort, or more commonly known as Eden, was discovered in 1971. It used to be a logged-over area covered by a blanket of wild grass. Not long after, terraces were carved out of the mountain slope, and thousands of pine seedlings were planted. Today, there are over 100,000 pine trees spread in about 80 hectares, providing a magnificent backdrop of the various attractions in Eden. Located at the highest point of the park, a wonderful view of Davao City and the Gulf beholds you as commune with nature. In the 1990s, Eden was classified as an ecotourism zone. The owners envisioned the property could be a good setting for corporate events, considering the ambience therein. Eden Nature Park and Resort started its operations in October 1997. Over the years, the market responded favorably and the resort expanded its operations by offering day tour packages and guided shuttle tours around the property. The resort caters to live-in corporate seminars, retreats, wedding receptions and special events. There is a plethora of things to do in the 80-hectare property. Attractions, dining outlets, fishing village, butterfly garden, hydroponically grown vegetables, flower and herb garden, adventure rides, and cultural village were established. More rooms and cottages were built along with the attractions. Today, Eden has a total of 63 rooms and cottages, 6 function rooms and 4 F&B outlets. To make Eden also cater to the younger and more adventurous generation, adventure tourism was added to Eden's activities. First, the Skyrider, more popularly known as Zipline, which was introduced in 2008. 5 years later, the resort added the Skycycle, the first and so far the only one in Davao. The Skycycle became such a hit that, from the initial 2 bicycle lines, we have expanded to the present 8 lines. Finally, in 2015, Eden launched the Skyswing, setting the bar of adventure rides to a higher level. The Skyswing is another first of its kind in the Davao region. The multifaceted experiences of the guests as they visit Eden is one of the reasons why TripAdvisor, the popular travel search engine, has ranked Eden Nature Park and Resort as #1 in things to do in Davao City. We also have learned to adapt to trends, tastes, and changes and be consistent with our branding, and is sensitive towards how the nature and quality of experience match our brand image. As times change, we adapt to the changing needs of our guest. Eden continues to contribute to the tourism industry in Davao. We are more determined to be ahead of the competition and always be on the lookout for greater opportunities. We want our presence felt by every person thinking of going to Davao, that Eden Nature Park should always be a part of their go-to list. Tracing back Eden's development, Mr. Zaldy Magnay, Eden's president/CEO, says, "One factor that contributed to Eden's growth is the attitude that we are always a work in progress." By work in progress, I refer to the constant search for areas for improvement and for new growth opportunities. On the one hand, there is always a conscious effort to meet, if not exceed, our guests' expectations by listening to their views and using these as inputs in how to constantly improve. On the other hand, Eden's evolution from a forest to a banana farm, to a nature park, and eventually, to a multi-activity resort exemplifies the company's determination to explore avenues for growth. Eden Nature Park and Resort marks a key milestone as it celebrates its 20th anniversary. For 20 years, Eden has been providing friendly and accommodating services to its guests. Whatever the future holds, Eden will always be a landmark in Davao, providing hospitality to all the tourists, giving them a chance to experience nature and adventure at its best. Like us and join us at Extreme Collections for more fun and knowledge.